guys, Domi from Supercar Blondie here, and today I've got the one and only Chinese giant Hongqi E-HS9. This is a full-size electric luxury SUV. This reminds me of Lincoln, and this reminds me of Rolls-Royce. So it's both of them. If they had a baby, never mind. The front of this car is unbelievable. We have the lower headlight units right here, as well as the upper LED daytime running lights. And if that wasn't enough, there is an LED strip that goes all the way from up to down. And if you actually turn it on, there is a full-on light show at the front of this car. If you look at the size of the front bonnet, it's absolutely huge. But people compare this car to Rolls-Royce, right? By the size, this is so much smaller than the Cullinan. Of course it is, but the bonnet is still huge. And it kind of makes those front 21-inch wheels look small compared to everything else on this car. I thought those doors are suicide doors, but no, they're not. They're actually just soft close, flush handle doors. You see this chrome panel? It's actually something super, super cool. And if you move closer, you will see that these are lights. And once you plug it in, it actually shows you the status of your car charging. And as well as the light show that continues here where the Hongqi brand name is. Let's just open the trunk so we see the cargo space. That's what I thought. Even if you have the third row of those seats up, there's still plenty of space right here. These buttons right here let you fold and unfold your third row seats to make your cargo space bigger, obviously. These buttons right here are actually a really cool feature that allows you to lower and raise your suspension to make your life easier, you know, to unload and load stuff from your trunk. But that is pretty much about it. Let's have a look at the back seats. I'm wondering how much space is at the back seats here. Oh, this is nice. Adjustable seats, plenty of leg room, plenty of headroom. This is really cool. The sunroof, the panoramic sunroof, is so cool and so big. You have a bunch of power outlets over here, as well as your climate control screen over here. There is a bit of storage department here. You feel like you're sitting in a, I don't know, on board of a plane, you know, because you have these air style headrests. There's this storage space here. There's also this little storage pocket over here. As much as I enjoy sitting at the back, I can see the front, and I have to show you guys because it looks so cool. Let's see it. Let's see it. This is a high-tech car, and you're barely going to find any physical buttons here. So how do you turn it on? Well, you see this little screen right here. There's a little start right here. You press that, and voila, the car is on. And you have 3 screens right here. Each one of them is 16.2 inch. You have your instrument cluster right here, your center screen right here, and your passenger screen right here. That not only allows you to control media, but also control navigation. And your 4th and final screen right here, that controls your climate, and of course it's your stop and start button. And then we have some nice wood paneling over here. And look at this. This is something I have never ever seen before. And it's quite funny. It's cup holders, right? But not just whatever cup holders. They have adjustable depth. Look, I can literally fit my whole hand. You ready? Let's take this Chinese giant for a spin. 405 kilowatts, 750 Newton meters of torque equals to 543 horsepower. That was a very long sentence for my lungs. 0 to 100 in 5 seconds. I know what you think. Usually it's like 3.2 seconds, 3.7 seconds, but this is not a supercar SUV. This Chinese car was born for cruising. I'm going to tell you one thing. This car right here weighs 2,600 kilograms. and it's almost 5.3 meters long, and you definitely feel that. Taking turns in this car, the whole, I'm not even kidding, did you see how I leaned to that side? The whole thing just zoom leans. Would I pay $114 for it? Probably not. I think it needs a few improvements, starting with, look at that, have you seen this indicator? Plastic. And also here there's a lot of plastic bits that I really don't like, and I wouldn't want to buy a car with this price tag with those many plastic bits on it. But that's just my opinion. That is from me and the Chinese giant Hongqi E-HS9. Big thank you to Luxury Lounge Car Showroom for letting me drive this Chinese giant. Let me guys know in comments if you would like to own one of these bad boys, or if you think it's too expensive for a Chinese car. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I see you next time. Bye!